I'm Elijah. My work anniversary was actually this week on Tuesday, so it's been a year and a few days now. I'm a dispatcher. I am contacting customers and dispatching our technicians. Spend a lot of time on the phone and behind the computer, but yeah, it's a lot of fun. I've learned to be patient. It requires a lot of patience to do what I do, and working with customers and getting them what they need. My favorite thing is probably the team of people. We have a lot of great people in there. Every day is an adventure, and it's quite a lot of fun. Our desire to help people out is super awesome, and we're a bunch of people that love to get after it and just grind the work away. Skills required for my position, definitely you need to be an organized person. You need to be a solid planner. Make a plan, but also be able to be flexible and make changes and do things on the fly. Every day is different, so you have to be willing to accept that and roll with the punches.